So today we're going to take a look at some of the cures for cabin fever that are under our research link on TADL.org. So to get there, you go to research here on the top navigational bar, click it, and it brings you links to all the different things you can access through the website. So today we're in the market for something interesting, so we're going to go educational resources, and I'm going to click on Hobbies and Crafts Reference Center. So when I open that up, you can see all of these things that are available to you. So there's crocheting patterns, there's this list of popular choices down below, quilting, scrapbooking, paper crafts, and then up here you can go directly to the individual areas or view all topics. So there's arts and crafts, collecting, home and garden, indoor recreation, kids crafts, model building, needle crafts and textiles, outdoor recreation, performing arts, science and tech, scrapbooking and paper, view all topics. So if we hit view all topics, you can see there's even more, and it subdivides by specific item like model rockets or kites or leather crafting. So just a world of choices here under the reference section. And if I click on Applique for quilting, I can see that I've got over 1,000 different choices just under that one little item alone. So if you are in the market for something else that's a little bit more DIY besides just hobbies and crafting, just below that there's this Home Improvement Reference Center. So when you click on Home Improvement Reference Center, same idea. You've got all the topics: decorating, electrical, maintenance, outdoor, plumbing, remodeling, or woodworking. So I'm going to click on decorating just for fun. And you can see all the different options here under decorating and working on your home. And I'm just going to go back. It took me all the way out, so I'm going to just click and go through again, back to the Home Improvement Reference Center. And this time I'm going to click on all the topics. And so you can see that it's divided up alphabetically. U is umbrella arbors to utility storage. So you can see all the many things. And I'll click on here just to see. There's plumbing, your half bath, hallways, how to use a handsaw, hardware. So again, lots and lots of information here under the research tab on TADL.org. So we hope you enjoy exploring, and I'm sure that there's going to be something in there to help you find something to do during these gray days of February.